If your Volvo V40 Keyfob is not responding, or you see a low battery warning, it's time to replace the Keyfob battery. Unless your car has a keyless entry system, you need one CR2430 battery. First, turn the key fob over and remove the emergency key. Gently open the key fob using a flathead screwdriver. Don't worry if the inner parts move. Just place everything back in the reverse order of dismantling. Final test complete. Job well done.